Ah, look at that.
Alright, test number 2.
Test number 2.
Final test.
Yeah, just go ahead and delete the first one that you did.
Do-over.
The do-over.
Guys get faster and faster the more you...
Hey Siri, play.
Hey Siri, read me my text.
On it. You have new messages and 2 conversations. In your group with Stephanie Fisher and 13 others. Stephanie Fisher said hi. Reply to the group.
No.
Macy's said Macy's. Extra 30% off starts now. Shop top designers
All
at
right.
VIP prices for a bold new look.
Thanks.
Link to Mikai's code details. Link to Mikai's code TXT stop equals N.
That's hilarious.
Would you like to reply?
No.
Would you like to hear more messages?
No.
Okay.
Play music.
Hey Siri, can you play music? Or actually, I should ask him to do Spotify.
Yeah.
Hey Siri, open Spotify.
Chill Hits now playing on Spot.
Oh my god, this is so cool. I love this.
You could say like, hey Siri, open Google Maps to take me to the nearest Pizza Hut or something like that.
Okay, hold on. Hey Siri, open Maps and take me to the nearest Starbucks.
The nearest one I see is Starbucks on McBean Parkway. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you.
Yeah, you can just...
Oh, there we go. I see it. Okay. Oh, there we go.
Starting
so
route to Starbucks.
Yeah, you like that.
That's nice.
More easy.
Nice
The next
map.
light, turn right.
It's working, he said.
Yeah,
But that's using your GPS, so that's no problem.
yeah.
Oh, this is using my car. Yeah, my phone.
Yeah.
So here's a question I have for you. While I'm connected, is it charging my phone or not? Well, as long as it's charging, because
Yeah, it's true.
okay, at a slower rate.
Yeah.
But as soon as I take it off, then I'm disconnected and I go back to my regular whatever I
Yes,
have.
of course.
Okay, no, this is good. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. This is great. I love it.
Any other functions that you want to test?
No, I think the mainly thing I do is music, text, and Spotify and maps. Like literally, those are the only.
What else is left?
You want to try a call? Maybe you make calls?
Oh, okay. Hey Siri, call Kelly Jeter. Thanks for answering the phone, Kelly. It's good to know that girls are all the same.
Yeah.
All right, this is perfect. Thank you. Oh, it's taking me. Hey Siri, stop directions. You can cancel everything.
Cancel route.
Oh, okay, good. Good for you.
All right.
All right, this is awesome. Thank you so much.